Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact Facebook account you'll clean up. This prevents accidental changes. Once signed in, open Settings and Privacy, then Settings. Next, navigate to Security and Login. This area shows where you're logged in. Make sure to use a device you control because some options vary on desktop versus mobile. Now look for the section labeled Active Sessions or where you're logged in. That list is live, and it's where you'll remove entries one by one. Once in the Sessions list, examine each entry for device, location, and time. Unfamiliar items indicate unauthorized access. You remove a single session by clicking the three-dot menu or log out next to that device. Do that for any you don't recognize. If there are many suspicious sessions, choose Log out of all sessions to clear them at once, then immediately change your password and enable two-factor authentication. This not only bootstraps access control, it prevents those sessions. To finish, change your password to a strong, unique passphrase and enable two-factor authentication. This stops removed sessions from returning. Also review connected apps and remove any you don't recognize, because linked apps can create sessions. Once done, monitor recent emails and security alerts for signs of re-entry. If you still see persistent sessions after revocation, remove app permissions and, if necessary, contact Facebook support via Help Center. One troubleshooting tip: clear browser.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.